Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at some cables. How about that? We've got the Inateck 3.5 millimeter male-to-male universal auxiliary audio cable, 4 foot, and a 3.5 millimeter male to female dual splitter headphone cable, 8.7 inch combo. Of course, you know how that goes. You're kicked back watching the TV in the middle of the night, and the woman comes in and don't want to wake anybody up, so plug in 2 headphones and everybody rocks out to midnight special. So our cabling, Inateck has a real nice cable here. This is the same factory that puts out the same cabling with the upper end type headphones, and you have this soft vinyl type outer covering, little bumper up there to keep it from crimping off, metal end housing, gold plate. And it comes with a nice little Velcro. Keep it spooled up. Just a nice short 3.5 millimeter patch cable. This is a good one. You might notice that your favorite patch cable is starting to get a little bit crispy. You know, you hear it crackle a little bit, it might drop out. Well, you might as well just go ahead and throw that away before it shorts out and does some serious damage to the instrument. So let's operate this.
Now is auxing mode.
Okay. And I know I had some here. See, there's no crackledy, no little noisy bits. It's got a nice high quality cable. Okay, let's try this one. It's just a high quality cable. A very nice high quality cable set. Your Y splitter and a 4-foot.
Bluetooth already open.
Thank you, miss.
Waiting for Bluetooth connecting.
A very nice cable. Yeah, this is about to go find a home in your TV room. Keep them in their protective bag. This particular paired set is the AC0089 in black with a silver matte finish, gold accents, gold plated connecting hardware. Very good. An excellent cable. I'm glad I added that to the collection. In fact, I think I will go plug those in right now and catch an old episode of Enterprise. Get one I did, and I'm darn happy about it.